Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually reset your cell light settings on your Dstv Explora Decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on your Dstv button. That's the Dstv logo, which will take you to the menu. So when you come here, use the arrow left and right keys and you look for settings. So with the settings, come down to the system settings right here and you press OK on it, and you come to the second option beside it, that's the reset decoder settings, and then you press OK on it. So when you come here, you come down to the fourth option, that's the reset cell light settings. So you already reset it. Maybe you have added some frequencies in the additional network space, or you just want to reset the cell light settings. All you got to do is to press OK on it and then proceed by pressing on the reset cell light settings to actually start everything. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.